So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and this video first I'll just show you how this automation is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this moisturizing cream and we're going to check that the details of the same gets added in our Google Sheets within seconds or not. So let's purchase this cream right from here. For that I'm just going to add this cream in my cart and click on this proceed to checkout button. I want to add the details of this order in my Google Sheets. Alright, so let's purchase this first. For the email address, I'm just going to edit few details right over here. For the email address, I'm going to keep it as smart@pabblytudes.com. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as smart. Last name as user only. And now for the phone number, I'm just going to enter the phone number as this. After entering all of these details, I'm just going to select the payment option as cash on delivery and click on this place order, and I'm just going to place this order. Once I place this order, you're going to see that this is the order number. You're going to see that this is the email address, this is the total amount, and this is the product we have purchased, and this is the quantity. So now all of these details will be added in my Google Sheets, and you can see the details are added. And yes, this is no magic. You can see the details are exactly the same, be it 493, which was the order number, or the rest of the details. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then watch this video till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for WooCommerce and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new order created and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so copy this webhook URL and open your WooCommerce account. After you open this WooCommerce account, so as you know that WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress, alright. So open your WordPress site, then come on this WooCommerce. Now from the left end of the site, go on this settings. Once you come on this settings, you have to go towards this advanced right over here. So go on this advanced. After you come on this advanced, you have to go towards this webhooks right over here, and once you come on this webhooks, you have to click on this add webhook button. So when you click on this add webhook button, we're going to add the webhook. So first of all, make sure that you have copied this webhook URL. Alright, after you click on this add webhook button, a window something like this will appear in front of you, where it is going to ask you for the webhook name, status, topic and so on. So one by one we're going to fill it in. For the name, I'm going to keep it as new order. For the status, keep it as active. For the topic, select order created. So search for order created and select it. For the delivery URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, which was the webhook URL. For the secret, if you wish, you can definitely add the secret. For the API version, select it as the latest one and click on this save webhook. Once you click on this save webhook, yes, you can see webhook updated successfully. This means that we have successfully created a connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, and this we have received this webhook ID right over here as the webhook response, which is the proof of our successful connection. So after connecting our WooCommerce account with Pabbly Connect, we can move on further. Now what I want is, I want to add the WooCommerce order details into my Google Sheets. So to add these details into my Google Sheets, first of all, I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response because we have to capture the details of the order, then only we can add it further, right? So click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So do a test submission, purchase a product and do the test submission, and further we're going to receive the details of the same order. So let's say I'm going to purchase this vitamin C serum. I'm going to click on this add to cart, then I'm just going to go towards my cart and I'm just going to purchase this serum by clicking on this proceed to checkout button. Alright, so I'm just going to purchase this product right over here as test user. So I'm just going to do the test submission and purchase this product so that we can capture the webhook response. Alright, so as you can see that I've already entered the details, everything, which is the shipping address, billing address, you can see the email address and the rest of the details. I don't have to change any of this right over here. I'm just going to select the payment option as cash on delivery, move on further and click on this place order. Once I click on this place order, you can see it is saying your order has been received. Over is the order number and the rest of the details of my order. Alright, so now we have successfully completed the test submission. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response of this test submission right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds till it is capturing the details of our test submission. So further, what you can do is once you capture the details of this test submission, you can move it further and add these test submission details into your Google Sheets and create this automation, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real orders too. But if you wish to create this automation only for your real orders, you don't want to create this for test orders, then what you can do is you can wait till you receive a real order. So as you can see, we have successfully received the details of a test order which we placed right now. You're going to see the product name and the rest of the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. So I'm just going to add these details in my Google Sheets, and then this workflow is going to run perfectly fine for my real orders too. You can do the same. Click on this add new action step for the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. And now for the event, select add new and click on this connect. So if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. After that, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. Now select the spreadsheet in which you want to add the details of this order. So I'm just going to select this spreadsheet which is WooCommerce orders. For the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. Now it is asking me for the order. Yeah, all of these details. So one by one we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map all the details right over here of my customer so that we can add these details in my Google Sheets. Alright, so I'm just going to look for the details by searching it like this, and I'm going to map it one by one. So as you can see, for the products, I'm just going to map this item name. For the quantity, I'm just going to map the quantity, and now for the total amount, I'm just going to map the total amount. And after mapping all of these details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you can see the details have been added, be it the order ID, which was the order number, and you can verify it is exactly the same 492 right over here. You're going to see the customer name, the email address, the phone number, the product, the quantity, and the total amount. And with this, we have successfully completed this workflow. Now, like I showed you the starting of this video, that whenever we receive a new order from WooCommerce, automatically the order details will be added in my Google Sheets. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this for your own e-commerce store. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.